Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio A100. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, there are 4 buttons. The top left button is the reset button. The lower left button is the mode button. The top right is light button. And the lower right is the start button. Okay. And yes, the marking is on the back plate, so it's a bit confusing at first. No problem. Okay, and then next, if you want to activate the backlight, it is the top right button, this one, like this. Okay, and then if you want to change the mode, you can use the lower left button, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the time mode, and then yes, it will look like this for the time mode, hour, minute, second. And then next, you can use the lower right button from the time mode to show the date, like this. So this is month, date, and day of the week. Okay. And then next, if you want to do the LCD check, you can press the reset, mode, and start button. So it's a bit awkward for this one. Like that, and we can see all the segments on the display. And then to continue for the LCD check, you can press the lower right button or the start button, this one. Okay, press again, and back to the time mode. Okay, next, let's set the time, date, and so on for the basic setting. And to do that, from the time mode, press the mode button several times until the second is flashing or blinking. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the second is flashing. And now we can reset the second using the lower right button. So wait a moment. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. If it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay. Now press the reset button or the top left button to move to the next item, like this. Okay, this one. And we are now setting the hour. You can use the lower right button to increase the number, like this. And yes, it will cycle like this. And this watch only 12-hour format. So let me set back to 5. 4, 5. Okay, and then next you can move to the next item to set using the top left button again, this one, the reset button. Okay, now we can set the minute. You can use the lower right button to increase the number. Okay, and let me set to 53. Okay, or 54. Wait. Okay, and then next, press the top left button again, this one, the purple one, okay, to move to the next item, and that is the month. You can use the lower right button to increase the number, so 6, 7, 8, and so on. So let me set as 5. Okay, and then the top left button again to move to the date. Then use the lower right button to change or to increase the number. Let me set as 28. Okay, and then top left button to move to the next item, the day of the week. And then lower right button to change the day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. And then we can press the top left button again. And now we are moving to the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the lower left button, the mode button, to get back to the time mode, and the setting is saved and done. Okay, that's for the time and date setting. Now we are moving to the next mode, the alarm. Press the lower left button, this one. Okay, so this one is the alarm. You can set the alarm using the top left button or the reset button, this one, okay? And now it shows 12. You can change the number using the lower right button. So let me set as 5, okay? And then next, if you want to set the minute, use the top left button to move. And now the minute, you can use the lower right button to increase the number. So let's say I want to have the alarm at 5:15. Like this, okay? And then if done for the minute, you can press the top left button if you want to finish the settings. And done. We have set the alarm at 5:15. And now from this view or this position where nothing is blinking on the screen, you can use the lower right button to cycle through the options. So this one is the alarm is active. And then press the lower right button and we get this one. This is the hourly signal or hourly chime active, meaning that you get beep every changing of the hour, but the alarm is not active. And then press again. Now both are active for the alarm at 5:15 and the hourly signal or hourly chime. And then press again. Now both are not active. So in this video I will show you how to activate both, like this. Okay, and if you want to deactivate both, also easy. Just press the lower right button until there are no icons or no symbols at the top right of the display. Okay, and yes, one more thing, you can also do the alarm sound check if you want to know how the alarm sound. Using the lower right button, press and hold in the alarm mode like this, okay? And it will make beeping sound like this, okay? And yes, it will change the setting also. So if you want to get back to the previous setting, you can press the lower right button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And back to the previous setting. Okay, that's all for the alarm. You can try by yourself. To exit from the alarm mode, you can press the mode button. And now we're back to the time mode. And then let's move to the stopwatch mode. And for this one, you can start and stop using the lower right button, this one, okay? And then press to pause, press again to continue, press to pause, and you can reset using the top left button, this one. And yes, for the stopwatch, we don't have split time in this watch. And then after that, you can press the mode button to get back to the time mode. And done for the settings and operations of this watch, Casio A100. Thank you for watching and have a great day.